The data around abortion in Australia isn't as straightforward as you might expect. Many states just don't keep track, in part because of privacy concerns. The last time peer-reviewed national data was published was back in 2005. Then it was estimated around 83,000 surgical abortions were conducted. That was before abortion drugs were available. More recent academic estimates based on hospital and day clinic data suggest under 68,000 surgical abortions were conducted in 2017-18. When they combined that with statistics for abortion drug prescriptions, they estimated there were close to 21,000 medical abortions. That put the total at around 88,000 terminations. But that was 4 or 5 years ago. To put Australia into international context, generally the richer the country, the lower the abortion rate, because there's easier access to sex education, contraception and other health services, which reduces the number of unwanted pregnancies. As a region, Australia and New Zealand's abortion rate was 15 per 1,000 women of typical childbearing age. That's the lowest in the world, according to a global health study compiled by the Lancet Medical Journal. We're just below Europe and North America, less than half the rate of Latin America, a third of the rate of Central and South Asia, with the highest abortion rates in North African and West Asian nations. So what about public opinion? Well, according to a global poll from Ipsos last year, 57% of Australians believe a woman should be able to have an abortion whenever she decides she wants one. A further 20% believe abortion should be permitted only in certain circumstances, such as when a woman has been raped. 8% say abortion should only be allowed if the mother's life is at risk, and just 3% say abortion should not be allowed under any circumstances. That puts support for abortion in Australia about 4 or 5 points behind countries like Britain, France and Germany, but around 10 points ahead of the United States, with Malaysians least likely to support abortion. Abortion in America has been a hotly contested political issue. 70% of Democrats support a woman's right to choose, compared to just 22% of Republicans. The proportion of Americans who think abortion should be legal in all or most cases is up 10 points since 2015. Those who think it should be illegal is down 4 to 37%, and there's been a significant drop in those who are unsure. How the latest Supreme Court decision affects that remains to be seen.